Welcome to This Side Radio. Today I am at the 4th annual Go Box Challenge in Highland Village, Texas, between Denton and Louisville. I bet you're asking yourself the same question I did. What the heck is a Go Box Challenge? Well, let's go find out together. The Go Kit Challenge was created by Scott Kelly back in 2019. It was designed originally to test equipment to be used for the annual ARRL Field Day, which is a worldwide competition that takes place each summer. It has since transformed into this friendly competition to attract new hams and to enhance the fun, of course. Now in its 4th year, the Go Kit Challenge had over 14 stations, all vying for the coveted Hamburg Cup trophy. I am coming to check this out. I had to get my bearings when I got here. I was like, okay, where's everything at?
So this is Scott's Go Kit. It's one of the original creators of the Go Kit Challenge.
Right.
Him and Kelly. And when they started it was to make this Go Kit and figure out what he needed.
Okay. Is he around? I'd like to find out where this came from.
If you keep looking for him,
right,
you'll find him probably on the field. He likes to wander later this summer.
And what do we have here?
And these are the Skyhook. This is the cleat, but the rest of these are the Skyhook. This is a design that Scott has done. Our friend gave us this after it broke in the field after 2 uses. It's a fiber carbon military mast type setup. So he said, can you help me out and can you get me something to replace this?
Right.
So this was the original design, single tab just like this.
Right.
Smaller, lightweight. It's meant to go on a military mast, so it's a 40 millimeter diameter.
Okay. So you could put like a 2 meter or 70 centimeter antenna on top of your. Of course. Always look up.
Always look up. Always look up. That's the latest design. That's a 3x, 3 different options.
Okay, that's awesome.
Isn't it? Yeah. So it fits a 1.57 inch millimeter or diameter mast, 40 millimeter mast. Anyway, so he sells all those.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Is he got some information I can share with everybody?
You know what? We have a business card. I didn't bring the other stuff with me.
Okay, cool.
But he does have a website, thehamstop.com.
All right, everybody, go check it out.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. How you doing? That's quite the setup. I hear you. Was not expecting that kind of a weather change. Hopefully this is the last one for the year. We go back to spring. So not only do we have the pavilion area, but we have, look at this. Everybody doing their POTA setups, their portable setups. Let's go walk around and see what we can bump into. What you running?
We got Yaesu 857.
Okay.
Mounted under the deck there. I can do commercial AC power or DC, which is what I'm running off right now. My battery pack. So I can do 160 through 440.
Oh wow. Okay.
I've got some. I can do auxiliary DC out if you want to hook up another radio. If you need to charge your phone, I got USB ports here. I got my CW key from Morse code. You've seen one like that?
I have not. I like the wrist mount though, or the wrist rest.
Well, the way this works, put your hand, you got to touch it right here.
Oh, wow. Okay. So it's actually
What it is, it's
capacitive.
yes.
So it's touch capacitive.
It's electronic vibraplex is what it is.
Okay.
It's made out of.
That's really cool.
It's made out of oak, so if I drop it, you can't break it.
Right. And then RTL SDR for pretty much any other band.
For my Panda adapter.
Awesome. Well, I'm Shane, by the way.
Oh, Shane, told me to call you.
Nice to meet you, sir. I had never heard of the Go Box Challenge, and Frank sent me a message and said, hey, you need to come check it out. So
it's a QYT 8900, it's a little two-band digital. It sits there and scans 4 channels.
Okay.
And just anything it picks up, you pick up the radio, it automatically goes to the channel if there's activity on it.
Okay.
Things like that. And this is a little Zygo.
Oh, an X6100.
A 6100,
Yeah.
QRP radio. So
Those are cool radios.
I'm running that radio off of the Milwaukee battery right now with a down converter, and I'm running this one off of the 12 volt. I could run them both off the same one, but I didn't want to run it down. So
Right.
No need to run them both off the same one. So.
And then the duplexer for the antenna. Let's take a look at the antenna. And I'm assuming that's an air choke? Is that an air choke?
Yes.
And of course I show up when he's not here, but Frank's here. Frank's got the Gigaparts backpack. And the FTD X10 with a really cool battery box. He's got the DX Commander pole. And running off the K6ARK infin half wave with a little counterpoise. Cool setup, Frank. And running off everyone's favorite antenna, the Wolf River Coil. How you doing?
Hi.
That's a cool setup.
Yeah, thanks.
Now this desk looks familiar.
How you doing? Good, you? Good. Peter.
Look at that. You got your battery in there, you got a power supply. Charge control for the solar.
Swinging by. TC Fits, thanks for the super chat. And as always, y'all, you're amazing.
Yeah, thank you. A lot of fun.
I gotta show off this handiwork back here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's incredible.
Hear ye, hear ye! Mileage. Okay, thank you very much for coming out. Holy cow, this is a big group. Wow. I was not expecting this, and I am very humbled by everyone joining us today. So the first thing I need to do is make sure I thank the clubs. So we had 3 clubs that helped to sponsor this event this year. The Denton County Amateur Radio Association, the Lake Area Amateur Radio Association, or Club, sorry, the Lake Area Amateur Radio Club, LARC, and then the Louisville Amateur Radio Association. Each of them helped pony up a couple of bucks so that we were able to get this awesome pavilion, the awesome spread we had out there in the grass where we had plenty of room to set up radios and antennas and everything else. So that's really great. I think this location worked out really well. I don't know, what do you guys think? Good spot? I think the spot worked out really well for us because it has everything we need. We had a canopy in case we needed it, and we had a restroom. Everything else is gravy. So, you know, we're grateful to have it. I want to thank Dale. Dale was kind enough to bring us some refreshments, some warm refreshments on this cold morning. So we appreciate that.
Scott brought us tacos.
Scott Croft brought tacos. So anyway, but that's what's happening there. All right. Who thinks they won? I only got one person. They all won. I only got one person with the confidence that thinks he won.
I think they all won.
You think they all won?
Just for showing up, they won.
You know, so the first year we did this, I remember printing out a whole bunch of participation certificates. And everybody that showed up got a participation certificate. I'm glad I didn't do that this year because I wouldn't have had enough. I would have killed a tree. I wouldn't have had enough. So I appreciate everybody for coming out. Okay, so you ready to find out who the winners were?
Yeah!
All right, without further ado, the mobile entry. I'm going to do the mobile entry.
Mobile.
See, I'm messing Scott up already.
Mobile.
The mobile entry, K5VOP, Paul.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Would you like to make a speech?
Speech. I'd like to thank all the little people. No, thanks everybody. And bring more mobiles next year. And I'm hopefully going to be even better next year. I got some more ideas. It's not complete, so. But thanks everyone for voting. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Paul. Okay, go into the portable version. Oh, we'll start with third place. Third place, Kilo Golf 5. Anybody? Victor. Zulu, Quebec.
Get a ham radio out and a gift certificate.
No, you get a plaque. You get a piece of plastic.
This is great.
Okay, his corrected call sign, Kilo Golf 5, Victor, Quebec, Zulu. Second place, Kilo Golf 5, Zulu, November, Juliet. Thank you very much. All right, Roger, Alpha Charlie 5, Echo, Zulu. You got first place. Roger!
See, you gotta have a voting booth.
So, for those of you,
I attributed it all to the voting booth, y'all.
Is there any significance to the cracks in the bottom? I only spit it in one.
oh,
It's perfect.
so guys, if you haven't heard of the Hamburg Cup, if you haven't heard of the Hamburg Cup, it is a very priceless, very beautiful, ornate trophy that you can take when you win first place in the Go Kit Challenge. And to keep the legends alive, we get dog tags every year as to who won and what year they took it home. So, you will be receiving a dog tag in the near future with your name and call sign to add to the list.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think Croft drank twice out of it.
Yeah, and Scott, the other Scott made sure he washed it, so we're good.
I had alcohol in it, so I know it's clean.
Oh.
Thank you.
Two other things, Kelly.
Oh, two other things. Oh, I was just going to tell them thank you and have a good day and get out of here. First thing I want to do is say thank you for the donation. Both of these prizes were donated to us. The prize donators, do you want to be recognized? Yes. The box came from Andrew, KG5, or KE5 GDB.
It's an SKB. This is a big box, boys.
Okay. And I know that the other donor did not want to be identified, so we'll just leave it at that. Okay, first one, we're gonna do the coffin because I couldn't come up with a better word for it.
It's an SKB.
Call out the number. They're supposed
That's
to
your
have the
call.
other half.
Take your number.
Kilo Golf 5 Romeo Juliet.
It's rigged. You got no taste back. You got it.
I'm gonna set this here. You can ponder it and think about it for a minute.
Voter fraud. Voter fraud.
Voter fraud? Well, believe me, if there was any fraud involved, it would have been my ticket I pulled out.
I
Okay.
didn't put mine in the bucket. My wife
And
did.
some of you who shop at MTC might recognize this.
Hold on. My phone's ringing in my ear, folks. All right. Here's the next one. This is the IC V80 from ICOM. It's a VHF handheld. This just says Frank.
Uh-oh.
Frank? Frank?
Who's call us?
What's the number?
Put the number on it.
496081. Well, I'll be darned. You won.
There you go.
Oh, you kept this side.
Not include the body.
Kilo Charlie 5 Alpha Mike Tango Kelly. Oh no. Wouldn't that would just be funny. Okay. How about Steve? Kilo Charlie 5 November Kilo.
Here, Steve, come get this box.
And the dead hooker inside. That is a big box.
That is a big box.
Good Lord.
Jeez.
Congratulations.
We expect to see good things out of it next year.
Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, guys. Thank you. See you in 2020.